Can you say cracker? Can you say cracker? What is this? Cracker? No, cracker. Banana. What is this? Addison, what is this? Somebody's texting mommy, huh? Watermelon? What is this? Cracker? You want a cracker? You are pointing so well. How old are you? Are you 13 months old? Yeah. You want a cracker? Say cracker. Addison, hey, say cracker. Can you say cracker? Mom, I don't want to say cracker. Cracker, very good. Here, cracker. What do you want? Cheese? Can you say cheese? Cheese. Cracker. You having cheese and crackers? Here. There's nothing over there. No, Daddy's not over there. Are you eating crackers? Are you eating crackers? There's nothing over there. Target? You want to go to Target? Cracker? Say cracker. Addison, can you say cracker? Cracker. 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 Hey, do you have any teeth? Do you have any teeth? Are you getting teeth? Do you think you might be getting teeth tonight? Is the tooth fairy going to come and bring you a tooth? Huh? Nummy, nummy cracker. Cracker, right? Oh, goodness. You okay?